Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make an eggplant hot appetizer or a side dish that you can serve along any other fish or meat, or you can enjoy it with some buckwheat or maybe some noodles, or you can even place this appetizer on top of a piece of bread and eat it like a sandwich. So let me show you all the ingredients. So the first thing you're going to need is eggplant, and you can use any kind of eggplant. I'm using baby eggplant, I just preferred. I find they don't taste as bitter. You're also going to need some parsley, some dill, and some fresh garlic, as well as olive oil, salt, pepper, dry onion powder, and just some mayo. So to start, let's just take your eggplant and we're gonna cut cubes. So I'm just gonna cut like this. And just make cubes like this for all of your eggplant. So something about this size. Okay everyone, so we cut up all the eggplant. So now let's go and take it to the stove top. And we're gonna pan fry it for about 10 minutes using some olive oil and some spices. So I'll show you there. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is just heat your frying pan to the highest temperature. And we're gonna add some olive oil, or you can use avocado oil, any kind of cooking oil you like to use. We're just gonna add it once the pan is hot, and we're gonna add the eggplant, and we're gonna pan fry it for about 10 minutes, maybe a little bit less. Okay, so let's add the olive oil. And do add quite a bit. Eggplant really soaks up the oil, so I'm just gonna cover the whole bottom of the frying pan with the oil. So once it heats up, just add your eggplant. And we're gonna start cooking and add some spices. Okay, so now the pan is ready, so add your eggplant. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it. And I'm gonna lower my heat to about medium-high heat now. And you're gonna cook for about 10 minutes total, maybe a little bit less. And we'll just add some spices about halfway through. So let it cook. Okay, so while the eggplant is cooking, let's sort of prepare a sauce into which we're gonna place the eggplant once it's ready. So what you wanna do is take a bowl, big enough so it fits the eggplant and the sauce. So you're gonna add about like a cup or a half cup of mayo. Then you're gonna grate some garlic into this mayo, or put it through the garlic press. And now let's go check on that eggplants to make sure they're not burning. We want them to get golden, not burned. Okay, so just mix them and continue cooking. Okay, so put all the garlic into the mayo. And next thing you want to do is take your parsley and your dill. We're just going to place it together like this and finally chop and add to the mayo. I think about that much would be enough. And now all you want to do is mix this. And that's it for the sauce. So let's go to the stove top and continue cooking your eggplant. Okay, so it's about halfway through the cooking process. I'm going to take some dry onion powder, and I'm gonna add some of that onion powder. You're also going to add some black pepper to taste, and of course some salt. Not too much, because of course the mayo has salt as well. So mix it again, and I'm gonna cook for about 4 or 5 more minutes. And then you need to let it cool down a little bit in a separate bowl, and then add it to the mayo. Okay, so it looks about ready, so I'm just gonna place it into a separate bowl. Okay everyone, so the eggplant is ready now, so we're just gonna let it cool down a little bit, and I'm actually gonna take the mayo mixture from here and add it to here, just so, because this looks a lot, because the eggplant cooks down a lot, so I don't want to put too much mayo mixture. So I'm just gonna place some in here, mix it, and leave this. You can always have this mixture with another salad or some other side dish. So I'm just gonna wait for this to cool down and I'll show you the rest. Okay everyone, so the eggplant has cooled down now, so now we're just gonna make a presentation out of it. Actually, before the presentation, we still need to add the sauce to the eggplant. So just add a few spoons and just mix it and see if you want to add any more. That's really up to your taste. So mix this, and after you're done mixing it here, then you can do the presentation. Okay, so for today's presentation, we're gonna use one of these small oven dishes. Since it's a hot appetizer or a hot side dish, we're just gonna place it into a dish like this, just beside some lettuce and some pepper. And you can actually cover this with a lid if you wanted to keep it warm for a little bit. Okay everyone, so here's the final product, the eggplant side dish or hot appetizer. So that's the way you can present it personally to each person. And thank you so much for watching. Like always, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.